Hi, I'm Rachel Steinbach, a dietetic student at Virginia Tech. Do you come home feeling too tired or busy to cook an elaborate meal? Casseroles are a simple way to create quick meals with the foods you have on hand. You only need 5 to 6 ingredients, 10 minutes of prep time, and dinner is done before the kids are done with their homework. Let's go ahead and make one. There are 5 steps to making a healthy casserole. I'm making a ham and noodle casserole which serves 4 people. Feel free to get creative and use your favorite ingredients as the options are endless. Step 1. Choose your base. Whole grains are best. I'm using whole wheat egg noodles, but you can use brown rice, whole wheat spaghetti, or any other whole grain. Step 2. Choose your lean protein. I'm using ham, but you can use chicken, tofu, beans, or whatever else is in your better pantry. Step 3. Choose your vegetables. I'm using green beans and mushrooms, but choose any veggies your family likes. Plain mixed frozen veggies are an easy option. Step 4. Make it a casserole by mixing in your sauces and seasonings. This keeps your ingredients together and you can choose any flavors your family likes. I'm using sour cream, low sodium broth, and evaporated milk. Step 5. Choose your topping. I'm using cheddar cheese, but nuts, breadcrumbs, rolled oats, or a different cheese would also work great. Cover with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Then remove the foil and place it back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden brown. I hope you feel inspired to try some new healthy and delicious recipes for your family dinner. There are many ways to build your own casserole. Create a new family favorite and share your ideas today. Bon appetit!
For more ways to eat smart and move more, visit our website.